Welcome to Gianti's Kitchen. Today I'm making coconut candy and I'll be showing you two ways to make coconut candy, the easiest way and the tastiest way. Continue watching. For coconut candy, coconuts I would use two. So I've removed the meat from it. Next step is you either grate it or cut it with a knife. And then the sugar, I milled the sugar. This is optional. You could leave it the way it is. So I'll go to the first method, which is the easiest method to prepare it. So I got here the grated coconut, about 1.5 cups, and I added 1 cup of sugar, like 3/4 cup to 1 cup of sugar. I'm going to pour this into a dish, or you could use a plastic that you can put in the microwave. Yes, I'm going to use a microwave for this. All you have to do is just place it inside the microwave, and the period depends on the current. Give it a good mix once just to see how it is doing in the microwave. So I'll just put it back there, and just a few minutes later it is done. So I'll take it out and then I'm going to pour it into a plate. If you like, you could make it into balls, but I'm not going to make it into balls. That's it, it is done. Easy as anything. Second method is the tastiest method. So let's go on to this. We have 2 cups of grated coconut, 1 cup of sugar. I will mix it together as I did with the first one. Mix it, and then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of water, or the coconut water. Give it a thorough mix too. Okay, it's well mixed up together. I've poured it inside a frying pan. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of milk to it. Flavor goes in, about 2 teaspoons of almond. You could use any flavor you want to use. So I've got it on the stove. Wow, the water is quite much, so I'm going to keep on stirring it, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of milk to it. So it's going to be 4 tablespoons of milk all together. I used 4 tablespoons of powdered milk plus 1/4 cup of liquid, which could be water or water from the coconut. If you are using evaporated milk or whole milk, please use less than 1/4 cup of liquid. So I'm going to stir this until the water evaporates and it is brown and not burnt. So gradually we are getting there. Okay, this stage it is okay. I'm going to turn off the heat, pour it into a plate. While it is still warm, we could form it into balls. I'm not forming it into balls at all, so I'll just spread it, and that's it for our coconut candy.